Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am thrilled to have you here. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate every like, comment, and subscribe. This journey wouldn't be the same without you. Stay tuned for amazing content, and let's grow together. Thank you.
Dubai Water Canal, a majestic destination for tourists and locals. Dubai, a city known for its modernity, innovation, and architectural wonders, has made yet another remarkable addition to its collection of world-class landmarks, the Dubai Water Canal. This ambitious project, which stretches for around 3.2 kilometers from the creek near Old Dubai all the way to the Arabian Gulf, offers visitors an unparalleled experience of the city's charm, beauty, and vibrancy. From unique waterway cruises to luxurious dining experiences, the Dubai Water Canal is truly a destination like no other. How to reach Dubai Water Canal? Located in the heart of Dubai, the Dubai Water Canal is easily accessible through various modes of transport, whether you're traveling by metro, bus, or private vehicle. 1. By metro. The most convenient and affordable way to reach the Dubai Water Canal is via the Dubai Metro. The nearest metro station to the canal is Dubai Marina Metro Station on the Red Line. From here, you can easily reach the canal area by walking for a few minutes, depending on your exact destination. Another option is to take the Businessbay Metro Station on the Red Line, which is closer to the central part of the canal. From here, you can either walk to the canal or take a short taxi or bus ride. 2. By car, taxi. If you're traveling by car or taxi, the Dubai Water Canal is situated just off Sheikh Zayed Road, making it easily accessible from various parts of the city. There is ample parking available at different points near the canal, especially around the canal's main attractions such as the Dubai Water Canal Bridge and the nearby Jumeirah Beach Road. 3. By bus. There are several public bus routes that stop near the canal. The bus number 28, which connects different parts of Dubai to the canal area, is one option. Ticket price of RTA boat services. The RTA water taxi and water bus are popular options for tourists and locals who want to enjoy a scenic view of the canal from the water. These boat services are operated by the Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) and provide a convenient and enjoyable way to explore the canal. Water bus ticket price. The price for the water bus is usually around 2 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 7 United Arab Emirates dirhams per trip, depending on the route and the distance. The service operates with frequent stops along the canal, making it an easy and affordable way to travel while also taking in the views. Water taxi ticket price. The RTA water taxi is a more luxurious option, offering private and exclusive trips along the canal. A ride on the water taxi is priced at 60 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 100 United Arab Emirates dirhams, depending on the distance and duration of the ride. This private service is ideal for those looking for a more personalized experience or a romantic outing. Things to do at the Dubai Water Canal. Once you arrive at the Dubai Water Canal, you'll find plenty to see and do, whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or someone who enjoys a more leisurely experience. Here are some activities to enjoy. 1. Take a boat ride on the canal. One of the best ways to experience the Dubai Water Canal is by taking a boat ride. Whether you choose the affordable water bus or the luxurious water taxi, the boat ride offers a completely different perspective of the city. As you glide through the calm waters, you'll see iconic landmarks, modern skyscrapers, and the magnificent Dubai skyline. 2. Walk along the canal promenade. The Dubai Water Canal features a beautifully designed promenade, perfect for a leisurely walk. This 12-kilometer stretch of waterfront offers stunning views of the canal